Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Plouise November budget box. This took so long to come, but it's finally here, so let's get into it. Okay, I am so like jittery. I don't know why. But anyway, whatever. So the very first thing that we have in here, this is the Babe You've Got Me Smitten, Babe You've Got Me Smitten lipstick palette. This is the packaging here. This is the one that was got like shipped out in December, so it's kind of meant to arrive in December, so that's why it's like kind of like Christmas themed, I think. And this is how it looks here. The packaging is absolutely stunning of this. And then when we open it up, this is what the palette looks like. So those are our lipstick shades. Honestly, it's a really, really pretty palette. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should put this one in a giveaway or if I should do like a lip swatch video on it or something. You guys will have to help me decide in the comments. I have never used a lipstick palette, and I've put all the other ones in giveaways because I didn't want to waste them. But I'm also like, would filming a lip swatch video be fun? Like, do you know what I mean? So I just don't know, but let me know down below what you guys think I should do with that one, because yeah, I'm a little bit stuck. The next thing that we have is the But Baby It's Cold Outside palette. I think this is a blush palette. And once again, the packaging, it's just so cute. Like, I just am obsessed. I think it's so sweet. It's so funny when like stuff comes out in like December and it's all like cold and like winter themed, because in Australia December is like our hottest month. Like, we have summer from like December to February, so it's just always so funny. But yeah, I just love this. I think it's so cute. My dream one day is to have a white Christmas. Like, I would absolutely love that. Oh guys, this is so cute. I'm actually obsessed. The shades are not my particular favourite shades of blush. Like, I really like this one down here, but the rest of them might be a bit too pink for me. But all the little things like embossed in the pans are so cute. I don't know if you guys can see them, but like we've got a little hat, a little like hot chocolate, a little mitten, a little sweater, earmuffs, more mittens, scarf, and like a jumper. I just think that is like, oh, just so cute. Like, oh, I'm obsessed. Oops. So that was our next product. And then we also have one more palette in here. So I think I paid about $80 or something for this, like by the time conversion rates and also shipping. So 3 palettes for $80, really not that bad. And this one is called If Looks Could Chill, which is so, I am obsessed. How cute is this? And I have seen sneak peeks of this online, and I think I'm going to adore this palette. And it's got the little sweaters in there, and like if you shake it, I think they move around. Do they? Maybe they don't. Oh, it looks like they should though. Anyway, how cute is that? And then we've got a little blue heart there, which is so beautiful. Let's open it up. Oh my god, guys, this palette. Stunning. This is like a dream for me. I love blues. This is just actually so pretty. So this is the first layer. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's absolutely stunning. Like, if you're a blue lover, you will love this palette. I'm so obsessed. Like, that just, there's something so aesthetically pleasing about that to me. Then let's have a look at our second layer. I don't even think I've seen this one on the sneak peeks. This one's probably my favourite, because we have like some more like greens and like kind of aqua shades in here. Oh, I am obsessed, guys. That is so pretty, yeah. And some of the little oh, what do you call it? Like the little embossed patterns in here are so adorable. Like, we have a whole little house in that one. This one says North Pole. This one up here has a little snowman in it. Like, that is so cute. I feel like before I use this palette, I need to take a photo of that little snowman, because he is so adorable. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but I'm literally obsessed. This palette is so cute. So yeah, I will say that there'll be a video on this soon, but we know what I'm like with putting out my uploads, so it'll probably be out in like 2 months. But no, I definitely do want to film a video on this. I am absolutely obsessed. I feel like surely this palette alone would be like 80 bucks. So I don't think any of these products are available on the website. I feel like they might have been exclusive to the box, but let's have a look. They don't have the If Looks Could Chill one. Doesn't look like they've got the Smitten palette either. And what was the other one called? Yeah, I'm so super impressed. I cannot wait to try this out. I really want to buy like the January one, but I'm trying to save money at the moment. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.